back to my channel. I am at the airport. Yes, I am at the airport. I am traveling to... No, I'm not gonna tell you where I'm traveling to. I'm gonna give you 3 options. And then you stop the video and tell me where I'm traveling to. Option 1, Spain, Majorca. Option 2, India, Taj Mahal. And option 3, Dubai, Ras Al Khaimah. So stop the video and tell me guys where I'm traveling to, and hopefully I'll see you in my plane. See you soon. Let's go. We need to go to gate 13. Why does people always rush? We are gonna go in same flight, same departure, same arrival. Then why people are just running? What is the point of rushing when everybody have to catch same flight? It's not a bus, it's a plane. Alright guys, my advice to you all is, whenever you travel, wear comfortable shoes. No heels, no. Wear comfortable dress. Because on the airport you have to walk long way. Now we are going to gate 13 and it's like 2-3 kilometers away. Guys, no cheating. Stop the clip. Tell me where I'm going now. Okay? We are grown up, so there's no cheating. Okay? No cheating. There we go.
Thank you. Straight on board.
Thank you very much. Hey, we have done check-in, we are boarding now, and let's go man, let's go on the wings, let's go.
Far side there for me. Thank
Hello.
you. Lovely. Far side and take a right.
The flight service manager on tonight's flight. I'll be managing the service in upper class, and Paula will be the cabin service supervisor in economy and premium. Well, there are just a few safety reminders that we need to tell you about before you settle down for the flight. As the fasten seatbelt signs are still on, keep your belt fastened for now. Your seatbelt will help to keep you safe if we encounter turbulence, so you should keep it fastened whenever you're seated. If turbulence is expected or occurs, the captain will turn on the fasten seatbelt signs, and to save us disturbing you when we check that your belt is fastened, please make sure that it remains visible to us over the top of any duvets or blankets.
to Dubai International Airport, guys. After flying 7 hours, we have finally landed on Dubai International Airport. Hey, hey. The battery is getting slow. I'll see you in the hotel. Hello everybody, we have just arrived in our room. The hotel is brilliant, amazing, and the view of the hotel is, oh my god, oh my god. Let me show you the room first. No bad. Big bathroom. And are you ready for the view? Come on guys, let's see the view. Right, so this is it guys. Now I want to take some rest. I'm really so tired. I want to sleep for some time, and after I wake up, we'll go outside, we'll explore this place. I think I'm gonna end up my clip here. So if you like it, share it, subscribe me, because more nice clips are coming on their way. So I hope to see you in the evening. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.